Hey y'all, it's happy to be me too. So a quick Tuesday video of what's on my table. I'm gonna get right to it. So first couple, I do have a couple new things, so I'm pretty excited about this. But the first thing is not that new, but anywho, I have an event coming up. Actually in 2 weeks, someone invited me to do this event last minute, and I was like, yeah, of course I'll do it. Sounds like fun. So, I have some makes for that particular event. So I'm gonna start off with some chickens. They are not finished yet. This is the Mabel the chicken pattern. I forgot who made it. Everyone has chicken patterns, so I'm sure you can find them all over YouTube. These still need the little comb thingy, the little red little mohawk type thing. The yarns used for these are all Hobby Lobby Cozy Occasion, I believe that's the name of them. I will leave the description, and I will leave the names in the description box below. So this is the first one. I did all these with just yarn eyes, because you know a lot of like babies and little ones like these because they're easy and they're fat, and so I wanted to not put safety eyes on these. I do have some that are in the store that do have the plastic safety eyes on them, but I wanted to make sure I had some for everybody. So some things will have normal safety eyes, and then some will have the regular yarn eyes. So I have this little guy, super cute. And yes, these are non-traditional chicken colors, so get over it for people who are like, ew, it's a blue chicken. Yes, it is. So this was kind of hard to see the eyes because of all the colors, but they're there. And again, I'm going to put the little red hair thingy on top of it. But the colors are so cute. And again, all of these colors are from Hobby Lobby. And I think I have one more. So I wanted to set like a certain number, like literally I was like, okay, I'm going to do 5 chickens because the event is a 3-hour event. So I don't want to have too much stuff. So I think 5 chickens would be good. And I might grab a couple from the store that I already have made too. So those are the chickens. And then I have this cute little tiny baby octo. It's so cute. I think this is all from Jade pattern. I believe so. I was just trying something out because I've made a lot of the big octos, but I don't think, I haven't made one of these recently. So I like this one. This yarn, again, this yarn is Adorable from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, it's a pretty color. It's cute. The next thing is some frogs. So everyone has the typical leggy frogs and all these other cool frogs, but I wanted to do something different. And this cute tutorial is on YouTube from Wonder Crochet, and it is so adorable, super easy to make. I did a rainbow colored one. I also have your typical green one. Isn't it cute? And I'm doing another one. So I'm doing 3 turtles. I have another one. It's a different shade of green. All of these again are Hobby Lobby Adorable. I don't have the size, but hooks and stuff. But anyway, you can find the tutorial here on YouTube from Wonder Crochet. Super cute, super easy. Low sew, I guess. I mean, I don't know. People consider certain things sewing and not. When, to me, if you're attaching something, that's considered sewing. So in my eyes, it's a low sew because you do make the legs separately and the eyes separately. So there you have it. These 2 guys, the turtle and, I mean, not the turtle, the baby octo. And then I have this super cute cow. How adorable is he? I think he needs a tail or something, but maybe that's just me. I don't know if cows have tails. I guess I should do some research on that one. So this one, I will leave the Etsy pattern. And of course, there's tons and tons of cow patterns on Instagram and YouTube that you can use. So feel free. But this one's super cute, really easy. Again, low sew. You got to sew on the ears, and his ears are a little crazy, but that's okay. None of us are perfect, right? So you got to sew on the horns, the ears, the arms, and the little heart patch is made separately. I put the little bell on because I just thought it was cute. The pattern calls for a little bag, like a little satchel type little bag, but I like the heart and the bell on it. So I did this one and one more, and I'm gonna do a brown one with like the pink ears and stuff, like chocolate milk. Get it? Chocolate cow. Yay, yay. So sorry my color keeps jacking up here, messing up. It's kind of cloudy outside, and again, I really don't know what I'm doing with the settings and all that fun stuff. But how cute are these? Like, this is a little peach one. Again, Georgia peach. There you have it. This one. I don't know. What other colors do you guys think I should do? I'm definitely going to do a brown one, a brown cow. I want to do the, I think it's the Highland cows, the ones that have like the little curly hairs hanging down. So I want to do one of those. Let me see if you can get the color. There we go. That's the real color of it. So super cute. These are the sinker eyes. These just have the glitter backings to it. Most of the time I usually make my own, but for these I just haven't had time to do them. So I just use the little glitter backings that came with it. And they work out pretty cute. I like the gold one because it matches the little bell so perfectly. So that is what is on my table. Again, I will leave a description of the yarns that I used and the patterns. If they are Etsy patterns, I will leave the link to that. And if they're YouTube videos, I will also leave the information so you guys can go find that. So that was it. Really quick video. Again, I'm trying to get better at documenting and showing you guys what I'm making. So I wanted to get those done because I'm gonna get them ready for the show and put them away and move on to some other things on my table. So what are some things you guys think I should make? I'm definitely gonna do some cats. I have some regular bigger loaf cats, but I think I'm gonna do some minis. Again, it's gonna be a very short event. Not sure how attended it will be, but I still want to make sure I have enough merchandise and enough stuff for, you know, kids of all ages. So stuff for the littles and, you know, stuff for the not so littles. So that is all. I'm looking around my table. That's all I have on my table. I'm making, again, another frog, different shade of green. You'll probably see a video later once that one's done, but I will keep you posted, let you know what's going on. Again, the event is on the 30th, so I'm right a little bit under the 2-week mark, and I will keep you guys informed of how it's going. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. If you are not new here, thank you for coming back and spending some time with me. Hopefully you're enjoying my videos. Again, if you guys have any questions or comments about anything that I've made, what yarn I'm using, please let me know. I do not gatekeep. I will share. I will let you know what's going on, where I got stuff, which videos I watched, all that good stuff. So yeah, so let me know, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy Tuesday. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.